Thinking about installing a roof that will last a lifetime? There are only two types of roofs, a flat roof and a steep roof. If your property has a steep roof, the question to ask yourself is, what aesthetics do you want? That will determine the system you select. When considering this roofing system, you'll find a wide variety of materials, and the most common are wood shingles, wood shakes, asphalt shingles, slate, tile, and metal. But among all of them, metal is your best choice. It's a sustainable lifetime option, safe and resistant to UV rays, nature, and fire. Plus, it brings an aesthetic appeal to your property with a lifetime warranty. It's a choice that ensures peace of mind. Besides the materials, you must consider other installation aspects such as roof sheathing, leak barriers, insulation, ventilation, flashing, gutters, solar, skylights. On steep roofs, the material is visible, but what's underneath is just as crucial. That's where choosing the right contractor comes in. A skilled professional to guide you through the best techniques, ensuring the durability of your roof system. They'll help you choose your preferred style and system, taking into account the different types of panels, colors, styles, and gauges. And remember, choosing the right contractor, the right system, the right warranty are the keys to ensuring the durability of your roof. Everyone says they work with the best materials and the best people, but we measure it. By choosing Mr. Roofing, we guarantee you'll be completely satisfied, not just with the roof and solar installation, but with the whole experience of working with us. Our exceptional service will have you recommending us to your friends and family as the best and safest choice, a gesture that we deeply value. Contact our award-winning team today for a roof that will last a lifetime.